everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am really hungover and I literally just woke up, if you can't believe already, and I need to get ready for a show tonight. I literally have no idea what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna create a look as I go along, so just bear with me. I want to try doing something colorful and crazy, something cute and nice, because I will be performing to a K-pop medley that I made.
I have with me my coffee that I got delivered to me. I needed to survive.
Cheers! Oh, that's hot! Okay, so I've done the foundation and baking process already, so I'm gonna go straight into the eyes. I think we're gonna try something over here, like a peachy, fiery look for the eyes. Maybe bring a little bit of a cooler undertone towards the bottom lash line. Yeah, let's dip into that. And then I think I'm gonna go into the next shade, a little bit more orange. Okay, so using a flat brush, I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here, this coppery orangish color. I think it's really pretty, so I want to put that in the middle of the eye. Oh wow, it's very subtle, but it's very pretty. How about for this side, we try with spraying the brush. Okay, so using my Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray, I'm just gonna spritz it a little bit. Actually, not much of a difference. Okay, so using another flat brush, for the lower lash line, we're gonna go with the lightest blue shade here. I think it will complement the orange really well, so I'm just gonna dig in here. I don't know, I have either a good or a bad feeling about this. I think it looks really cool, but what would really tie it in is if we have a darker color to kind of blend it in. So what I think we should do is get the darker brown shade over here. Go here. Don't make too much of a wing, just like enough that it looks like a little brown liner. My Juvia's palette, and I think this is appropriate time to bring out these blue glittery shades, okay? Here. Just get a decent amount, and I think I'm gonna put it in the inner corner of my eye. Just like that.
See how pretty it is, catching in the light?
If we bring this blue shimmery shade in the middle too. Just for drama, you know? Just for a little bit of drama llama. Why not? We're performing tonight, we're gonna be on the stage, so might as well just blind everyone with our makeup, right? So, I knew it. I knew it.
Boom, boom.
What's a K-pop star without her eyeliner, right? So going in with my Morphe Jet Black liner, starting with the tip, you want to bring it out like that. I think about that should do, and then just fill it in. So after you get your eyeliner on both sides, just make sure that they're both dry, you know, so we don't have any of those annoying creases or the eyeliner transferring up there, because we don't have time for that, sis. Ain't nobody got time for that. Maybe I think I'm gonna bring the eyeliner down a little bit on my under lash line, mostly because I just want a little bit of drama, a little bit of you know, darkness so that when I'm on stage, it'll actually show instead of me looking like I'm not wearing any makeup. I think just like a light, yeah, just like a light layer is fine. So yeah. And you can't really have a K-pop look without glitter or gems. So what I'm gonna use is, I don't know, I'm contemplating whether I should use glitter or whether I should use gems or both. Why not? Let's get crazy. AB crystals right here. They look like this. They're very pretty. So what I like to do is use my Duo lash glue and just get some and put it on the area that you want the gem to stick. So I'm gonna put it right here. So I have those two. Maybe we need more. Let's see. So yeah, with the smaller ones, you're gonna do the same thing. Just put a little bit of eyelash, eyelash glue in the corner of your eye. Thank you, Jesus. We got all of that on. So after we've done that, yeah, I think that's enough. Let's move on to the brows. I'm gonna make them a little bit straighter than usual, considering that Korean artists like to keep their brows straight. Get my contouring brush, dip it in there, and draw the line. So I think I'm gonna start with the tip as usual, right? Just bring that tip. Just like that. Obviously they're not perfect, but we're gonna fix it. So go with the darker colors in the contour palette to really define it. I'm gonna use this darker shade here. So yeah, when you get those straight brows, don't freak out. I know they look really bad right now. Get concealer, and using concealer brush, we're gonna put it on the tips of the brows, like I did before in my last video. Right here. Ooh, I put too much. Okay, so to darken it more, I'm gonna use my contour powder, and I'm gonna just go into it. Okay, now that the brows are somewhat cleaner and nicer, we're gonna leave them for now and just go into the rest of the contouring and the shading. So, oh, I forgot to do my nose. Haha. So the goal with this nose contour is to not make it look really snatched. It's to make it look a lot more natural, which works better with my concept for today. And again, going with my Juvia's Place palette, I'm going to use the gold color right here, again, as my brow bone highlight. It is absolutely
stunning. And you know how much I love it.
Look at that. God, so pretty. I'm gonna be using my Sugar Pill blush. Not blush, but the Sugar Pill Dolly Pop eyeshadow as my blush. And over here, we're just gonna put it on this side of the face. So next what I wanna do is highlighter. Korean stars usually don't use a lot of highlighter, mostly because like they want their skin to look more dewy. But what I'm gonna do is just use, you know, my Juvia's palette. And I know that the gold color here will work perfectly for a little bit of highlighter, nothing too dramatic. I'm not gonna use my Fenty Beauty because I know it's a little much. So just getting a little bit of that, just a tad bit, and just put it, you know, on the cheekbones. Not overly dramatic, but enough to just catch your attention. Okay, so I put my lashes on off camera and now I'm back. So I think what I really want to do with this look is add a little bit of that cutesy element to it. So I'm gonna get some of these little stars that I have. They're really cute. I'll show you. It's like a gel, but with it has a lot of like little pigments. So I'm gonna put it on using the little thing they gave me. I just bought this off of Taobao. You can get it anywhere, I think. And just get a generous amount and put it just like all over your, basically just all over your, oh my god, it's a lot. I put a lot, whoops. I think I'm gonna first outline my lips using a nude eyeliner, a nude lip liner. Just like that. And then I'm going to be mixing these two lip shades. I'm gonna mix the Jeffree Star Gemini with the Sephora Cream Lip Stain. I don't know the shade, it's like 79, but it's like this peachy shade right here. So I'm gonna mix those two. What I'm gonna do is first get the Jeffree Star shade and put it in the corner. Creating almost like that no lipstick, no makeup look, no lipstick look, you know, like the natural look that Korean people go for. Okay, I'm gonna set my face using the Urban Decay setting spray, the all-nighter. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. It's very sporty, it's very K-poppy. I feel like Soju with this red hair. I feel explicit, and you know, this is great. I love it. It's a very different style. It's a style departure for me because I'm always into like doing these glamour looks, and this is very, you know, casual. Just wake up, going to the baseball field, you know, with my friends, and we're gonna hit some balls and drink Red Bull and you know, I don't know what I'm talking about, but I think it's really cool. I like it. It's a new look for me. I like all these shiny things on my shirt. So yeah, just let me know what you think, and I'll see you all next time.